Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll show you how to connect Claude AI with Canva in 2026. So whether you're creating YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, ebooks or marketing material, using Claude together with Canva can help you generate ideas, write content and design faster. So by the end of this tutorial, you know how to use Claude AI alongside Canva to create high quality designs, generate copies and speed up your creative flow. So the first step is signing into Claude AI. So make sure you're on Claude AI. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive on the dashboard. Now, if you do not have an account, you can create one using your email address and complete the verification process. Now, once that's done, just go ahead and open up Canva. Canva is an online design platform that lets you create everything from social media graphics to presentations, flyers, videos, resumes, ebooks, and much more. So just open up Canva, sign into your account. If you do not have one, go ahead and create one. Now, once you're on the Canva homepage, you can begin creating. Basically, we have to understand how Claude works with Canva. So before we continue, it's important to understand how Claude and Canva have a relationship. Now, at the time of recording, Claude offers a simple integration to this process. Just click on the customize, click on connectors, and then click on add, and then select browse connectors. So click on the browse connectors option, and on the top four, you're going to see Canva. So go ahead and click on Canva here. And you can see here, you can search, create, autofill, and export your Canva designs. Basically, you can browse, summarize, autofill, and even generate new Canva designs directly from Claude. So you can make Canva a native part of your AI workflow, an AI-powered design agent that helps you create polished visuals faster with less friction. All right, so all you need to do is just go ahead and click on the connect and then grant access to Canva so it can complete the signing steps. So you can basically see what Canva is going to be doing. It will allow Canva AI to read your user profile, read your design metadata, create designs, read your design content, read your folders, and upload, modify, delete. Basically you're just giving it access to your account. So go ahead and click on allow, and the authorization is successful. So it's going to be redirecting me back to Claude. All right, so what we're going to be doing on Claude is really simple. We're going to be using Claude alongside Canva in a new way. So what we're going to do here is confirm our connection first. So you can see we're connected to Canva. And to confirm this furthermore, click on customize, head into connectors, and you can see the check mark just beside Canva alongside some other web apps. All right, so all we need to do now is just design something directly from Claude, and it would be applied in Canva here. So I'm going to be asking Claude to design a Deadpool logo in Canva, but invert the colors. So go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to figure out how to actually proceed with this task. So it's going to make its connection through. So it says here it can create a logo that's copyrighted, so we can just basically try something else. So, and it should make use of my connection to Canva to do this. So what is this logo for? Let's say YouTube channel, edgy anti-hero. So let's go with this, and it's going to begin weighing the odds for it, and then go ahead and send this in. Just enter an initial, and it should go ahead and create this on Canva. All right, you can see it's generating this as a logo concept from Canva. So we're going to be seeing this directly from Canva. All right, and our design is ready. So all you need to do is just pick one you like best, and it will open it as an editable Canva design. So let's go with the first one. All right, so I said let's go with the first. So it's going to pick that up and open it. So Claude wants to use Canva to create it. So let's just go ahead and allow this, and just click on the link, and it's going to take us there. So go ahead and open this link, and voila, we've been taken directly to Canva. You can see the design we just requested from Claude, and you can also see how good it looks here as well. So guys, that's basically how easy it is to automate your workflow using Claude and Canva. You can see the speed at which things are done. This can take you less than 3 minutes to accomplish once all of the permissions are given to Canva and are shared with Claude. All right, guys, so that's how you can go about creating designs. That's how you can create content using Claude. You can also try to paste and request for logos, images, outliers, and more. All right, guys, so once you're done, you can easily export it from here, or you can easily download it from Claude. Just click on the image, right click, and just save the image. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.